Hello viewers, today for repair we have a Dell computer. This is a very creaky computer and the model number is Inspiron 20 model 3052. I'm not too fond of the newer Inspiron stuff. It's kind of on the cheap end of the spectrum. I guess this keyboard probably came with it, and this mouse. They're both cordless, and they're both on, so who knows if there's any charge left. This computer, the customer said there's a dot on the screen. So let's see what they're talking about. Well, there's the power button. Okay. Oh, it was there for a second. I think I was a little bit too impatient. Let's try again. Okay. Well, I'm not really interested in doing that yet. It's taking an awful long time to abort the testing. Maybe those are the dots they're talking about. Oh dear. I don't know, it looks like it's working just fine. It's taken a while, but I would kind of expect it to, because I'm sure the operating system hasn't been reinstalled in a very long time, and this is not a very powerful computer to begin with. Okay, now it's been long enough that I think there's something wrong with it. Does this have a drive indicator? Probably not. For some reason, that seems to have become a thing of the past on many computers today. But it's really quite a valuable thing to have. Well, I guess I'll let this sit for a while and see what happens, if anything, and then I'll come back on the video later. I went into automatic repair and then it just quit. And now it's at this stage where it seems to just be on but not doing anything. You can tell the screen is on, the backlighting is powered on, but it's not doing anything. So ultimately I think it's going to be a operating system reinstallation. I believe there was data on here that was wanted, so of course it's not backed up. So we're going to have to pull the drive out and see if we can recover it. Now I believe, let's see here, there is some screws under there. I believe this will come up like this. And we should be able to remove the stand. I have the right tools ready. Okay, and now the fun begins of getting this flaky, plasticky housing off. Somewhere along here there's going to be a clip. There's one right there. Not exactly the best tool to use for this. Okay, and there lies the hard drive. It's a stinking 2.5 Ocean Gate branded drive. What the heck? Huh? There's light coming out of there, but it's not plugged in. What in the world? The drive is not moving. Why is that light on? Oh, the drive was on. What the heck? There's a battery in there? It's critically low. Oh no. Well, that's odd. Battery operated desktop computer. Okay, well, as they say, you learn something every day. That's a new one. Where is the battery? Please unplug it. Is this the battery there? I don't know. Anyways, I'll go recover this drive, and then we'll have to reinstall the operation system. This is a 1 terabytes, and it is Ocean Gate, and the data manufacturer is 1/2016, and this is a 5400. Which will totally bog down to the poor programming of Windows 10, but I don't know, that's what they put in there. I don't know why they sell that stuff with Windows 10 on it. It doesn't make any sense. This is an absolutely indispensable tool in a world where people don't back up data. And I left one of the pieces that I needed upstairs. Okay, so now I can plug this up and I can connect this drive to the computer and hopefully recover the data off of it. There most certainly appears to be something wrong with that hard drive. We have a new drive. This is a Samsung's drive. I've used these for quite a few years now and they seem to be very reliable and they have been holding up well. So let's get back in here and install this drive. Here's the old drive again, and we need to remove a couple of screws in here to get this out. Okay, now the drive, we have to remove the drive from the caddy. There's enough screws that it would be worthwhile to just get this thing going. Okay, I guess there's only 3. Okay, so that's that. The drive is in place. This is the spoiled drive. Let's close this back up and see if we can install Windows. And I don't remember which one of these has Windows on it. I think it's this one. So we'll try that. The mouse is not working. That's fine, we'll just use the keyboard. That's how it always used to be anyways. Maybe it's not the mouse that's not working, there's no cursor. Okay, well, we'll sign our lives away to Microsoft here. And let's do a custom. So I'm gonna look at the drive. Okay, there it is. Make a new partition. And full size, that's fine. Okay. And now we are ready to install. Format it first, it's not really necessary because Windows will format it, but it did successfully format, so I think we're ready to go.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on Narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in.
Okay, so it's successfully installed, but there's still no mouse, which I don't quite understand. Let's plug in a regular mouse, and now we have a cursor. Okay, so there doesn't appear to be an issue with the computer, some kind of an issue with the mouse. Okay. I wouldn't expect that this needs some kind of a driver to work. Let's see if perhaps there's a battery issue. Now it's got a door cell battery, so that's arguably the first problem. Oh yeah, look at that. There we go. Mouse battery has stopped working. Not only has it stopped working, but it exploded. I don't know what it is with these door cell batteries, but these are just awful. These are the absolute worst batteries on the planet. Look at that. This is so outrageous. And this battery is expiring on March of 2021. We are in September of 2020, so it's not past the expiration date. It's not really that close to it either, and it's already failed. And the corrosion is, it looks like it's gone deep down into the bottom there. So I'm going to take this mouse apart and clean everything out. And so now what would have been a relatively simple and fast repair is now going to be a little bit more expensive and take a little bit longer because I have to go through the mouse. These Duracell batteries are awful. I'm going to tell the customer not to use Duracell batteries anymore. Anyways, so that's that for the computer. The computer works. You can see the mouse is working fine as long as there's no Duracell freak show. So at this point I'm going to run through the window updates to make sure that's current, and I'll install the drivers, and then it'll be ready to go back to the customer.